Hi, Sandy. Yeah, sure. Happy to give you feedback. I'm going to start at week 4 because that's when I left it last. So you're giving yourself an A plus, and you have given a detailed explanation of why, which is good. You have the video here, which is great. And you have let's see. Oh, yeah, the video Thinking with I, which is exactly what you're supposed to do. And then you gave a description of what you did, which is good. So that I agree, that's A plus. And then now we have the project and AI power learning game. Okay, interesting. So that's quite interesting in terms of the plan. And then you've got a plan here, the prompt. Okay, yeah, okay, give me very detailed information here, which is fine. And then you spend a lot, you have good self-analysis, very detailed self-analysis. Now, keep in mind, oh yeah, you've got your in-class contributions, which are solid, I know, as always. And then your this detailed prompt, which is quite amazing. And then you've given 2 tools, which is great. So I agree, A plus on that. If we look at week 5, we didn't have to do the self-assessment, so that's fine. You've got the deep learning document. Report on Gen AI supports 6 competencies, okay, which is um, good. Yeah, it looks like you've done a detailed analysis there. I'm just going through that. And then you've given your own sort of analysis, which is nice. And that's a solid reflection. Thank you. And then you've got your personal project, uh, which is an AI generated storybook for early users using Okay, so you're doing the Gemini book. Now that's interesting. Are you doing a series of projects? You might be. So I don't know. You're going to have to. I think you submitted something, a set of projects. Let me just look at my notes here. Missing actual project output. Reflections are a bit thin. Okay, yeah. So eventually you're going to submit that project to me in a complete package because I don't want to go through your portfolio and find it out. And then you've got the self-evaluation here, which is fine in terms of what you learned, and then a self-assessment of your project. Um, so yeah, I don't know what you're doing. Let me just go to your email. Hope you're doing a personal project when developing AI, but did not include the product. I've decided to revise and improve this project as part of 7, so I've done the revise and Terra curriculum, use TechTube to develop lesson plans. Okay, so I'm on week 5, so that probably doesn't apply. I'm just trying to get a sense of your projects as a package. I can't find them willy-nilly in this. It has to be organized as one contribution. And then here, uh, you put in some, yeah, okay. That's solid reflection. So you're still maintaining what I would say is an A plus. You don't have to do the letter grade, so we can just get rid of that. What are we were supposed to do this week? Oh, Conmingo. So you looked at that and gave me analysis, which is fine, just exactly what I wanted. And then putting in these chats here. Um, Okay, so that's your chat, and then you have the summary reflections. It's so small there. It's interesting. I know you're taking screenshots. It's probably easier just to copy and paste it, but like you can just copy over it. But okay. Okay. Now you've done this prompt. Okay, that's quite detailed. So okay, you did that. And then you have a personal project 6. So looks like you're trying to do like individual projects each week. Is that using Genially? And then is there actually a Genially output? Let me just see here. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I see. Okay. So maybe it's best that you hmm, put this all in a package. And because up to say week 6 of what you've done, and then I can see this because I see the timeline that looks really good, and then so I can see all the projects. So just you basically have project self-evaluation, so I can see them all in one, and then give you some feedback on that. Looks like you're doing a lot of work though, and yeah, I can see that. You got your in-class contributions, which are solid. You put there, and then week 7, the innovative chatbot ideas, which I asked you to do. Um, okay, that's pretty cool. And then you've got your reflection and the chat, and then you've actually given the reflection, which is fine. Now, keep in mind, you don't need to keep using these prompts. You can, but you don't need to. You can do summaries, but you do a very good summary. And then you have your project plan here. So I'm taking a look at that. And this is a develop integrated lesson plans, which I think is great. So maybe you just stick to this being your final one because I don't want you to be working too hard. That's so I like that. You've got um, the challenges and what you have done. Okay, that's great. And then you have a self-grading guide. Um, okay, so I'm not sure what that's about. So time, because I don't, okay, you've given yourself an A here. Where's the final project? Is this it? Let's just see. Here's your prompt, lesson plans in ChatGPT. Okay. Right, but you want to put those into a nice Google Doc, right? You don't want to leave them in ChatGPT, believe me. Uh, so, um, and there, yeah, I mean, there, it's fine. Like you've gives you the, oh, I see what you have here. Is so these, I guess what you're doing is a series of short projects, it looks like. So instead of me evaluating, well, what are going to be 10 projects, it's better for you to submit them all at once, and then I can give you an assessment of that. And then you have your in-class contributions, which are solid. So you're definitely in the in terms of your classwork, you're definitely at you're a solid A to A plus. I mean, I have no concerns there. The only issue is, sorry, I'm just looking. The only issue is the projects and submitting it in a way that I can actually look at it as a comprehensive whole.